kopiemu ewo abra asebu kwa mankasi adehye wo ho nso brunua pa edan na ekoso wo ho
medindi na ya bo ma libia boga no pemene
ekua bo achewa asempa etia
ya demo shase de free man penida da John Dramani Mahama na tena ye na man penida da ene wo che se abato commissioner banu a Ghana made se ye boy ho ne yakwa koto no 2024 no wo se abato commissioner mpedimfo for prime bi ene aban na konakra na kwan bia so no abano mo pese wo mo wiemu a na nyade a wono ene ndisi amanyoko no be makwan no ma atiase amasade no akoso wo che se chinchirinchiri a asa abato commissioner mpedimfo pese mo ye ne se kwan bia so no woni Ghana card ya ye makwan ema enkwanguma no a ye de be kwa akoto aba 2024 elections no odi ebekomu bie papa di sansemi to jawapra na NDC amanyoko no mrantere maba waku a ewokwa me nkromahia ponum eye tenfo no no mo eye nkasa ho dwumadie bia wono mo eto nsafre ne se womrai no mfra ne mo nyam metachi no de sansemi atudwa ewase.
The new patriotic party led by President Akufo-Addo has shown that they are prepared to resort to electoral manipulation through the pliant and partisan leadership of the Electoral Commission to hang on to power. It is our responsibility to give expression and manifestation to the desire of the Ghanaian people for change by remaining eternally vigilant and ensuring that the change is secured through democratic means and that no effort at undermining the change through rigging or other form of manipulation will succeed. It is in this light that we in the NDC wish to make clear that we will resist and prevent any sinister plot by the EC to manipulate the outcome of the 2024 elections, even before the first ballot is cast, through the needless and unanswered insistence on the Ghana card as the only means of registration.
Abuswa man penina da John Dramani Mahama mananso enu eche no de so se MPP aban ene MPP amanyuku no enye mining kan ko mining puntu ene hia wonu mu na mum se beye o mo be win 2024 elections ene election samsa ene wowu mutirim ne mum eniema no wo so mo ye e ma de hye wo mayem ye hotoye no enye no ene hia wonu mo kra.
Price increases, unending fuel price adjustments, an extremely weak currency, general incompetence, corruption, arrogance, and insensitive leadership, and criminal waste of scarce resources have made our dear country a living hell for the generality of Ghanaians. The MPP government's response has been the adoption of short-sighted and ad hoc, poorly conceived programs that have done more harm than good. NAPCO trainees have been abandoned and are owed many months of salary arrears. But of course, we all know that the MPP lacks prioritization, because I dare say that the money that was spent in buying votes and building ad hoc roads in Kumau and Asin North could have cleared all the arrears of the NAPCO trainees.
Abuswa ntiwe man penina da John Dramani Mahama de yetene kadwe yamra na Kwame Nkrumah pono mo mrante ne maba waku a ewo NDC amanyuku no mo eye wo mo enkasa ho dwumadie ena okoye ode sansemi ekotudwa wase.
National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko yimu mpanyufo e dia rechechen akwa amade shomo ase north e wo mfimfini mantamu seba election a wode hehye so no wonya NDC amanyoko no mu gidie eto aba ne mprenu so edimo ne monyafo James Jachi Kwesi wo panyi dwa kase a wo boye ewo assembly kuso mo de denyankopon wase ene adehye no ase na kanema panyi John Dramani Mahama e de kotu dwa ewo ase seba ne se ya twira omanga abakosem e de fa abato ho dia ye de sikakoko gold e na betwira senate fodin esane senkunim dia ba ye no ena momo so ena NDC amanyoko nene omaye sedo omaye nanu nti 2024 ne de omudu tumi kase pa ena eborem kanema mpanyi to aso e de kakai adehye no se domahini mpo e de adeserede kase eto high court muafo no anim eno mampanyi na nado dankwakufu adumpo aban no ya panyi attorney general no se enka se north ma shebedwani o mapaw ni nsem akopie mu okoto no enka hu hia entomo ntwe ensensenso nanso domahene kwakasa ye na enomu frase abo na sem de musane se omo ante na se enu ti attorney general to aso de asem no kokoto de a enu de omu begina mu edi asem no nanso mu ye free court de anka be yo mu de yie pa o mampanyi kane no John Dramani Mahama kasa wie ya pe na MP from mapaw no James Jachi Kwesi no so kasa ye eda ase north de hye ne nyinaa se so mata na chi no ma hye nanimonyam no to so e de adesrade to amanimu se wo monya ne mu awrehemu ene gidie sane se ba wo bayi de wo de mpuntunwuma sonko kra na ebre wo mu.
Yeah, to akase so na ye de mo akọ ensem na Young Professionals and Youth Coalition Awards akoso e wo Kwame Nkrumah suapon mu e ma akuku damu a wo mo nchifra santemantema sei ene chese wo mo a wo mo ye o mafam de apeja omaye ama o my Ghana mum adehye o mabrabo CPSita o ma bo mabaso na Energy Minister Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe na sa dwumadi ase no wo mo ebo na baso ehye na nimunyam wo okwan pia wo faso edini dwuma ma peja santeman amana peja omaye amana peja adehye wo omaye mo enenam so ma Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe woje sa baso bo dwumadi wo hyemrantene mabawa enkran se obi bia emfa bibi nsine ni so na onye na famu de se beye na brabo enema BCP esita ede amano.
Some years back, my early years as traveler gave me an award. Then I happened to participate in President Kufuor's award today. I came here and I was astonished to see the number of people and the work my brother has continued to do and is doing. May the good Lord bless you exceedingly.
I was going to weigh a Oswafo. I want to show my Ghana. I want to near Honsensum. Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe and Yetin Kenenuchi and Honorable Mohammed Muntaka. One of Sociam Rasbigani, a woman Rasbigima Desia, a was once a baton Pesiaso, a Ranumua, ye bo one of my basses are done on that Okaubi. One also saw a Jenny and some of the two Jacacrani.
I know our country in a very difficult moment where it is very difficult to speak the truth without you being labeled partisan. To the extent that they are virtually running our country down to a point where there's only NDC truth and NDC truth. But truth is only one. And I really wish that we will stand with the truth even if our own is wrong. You should be bold enough to say it as it should be. Thank you very much.
And no penny quencher for that Young Professionals and Youth Coalition and no Openi Andy Okra so edin sem kakra etuja ehemrante ma ba won nkran se brano no ye hwese ye betwe abe animdifo ye betwe abe mpenimfo bi no ma aso ya sinemo ede ya fratwede ne sense ye be ne se yankasa ye de ahode ne ye pe etutu na mo be kwa wiase no na niema ye nyina no enhyeda emfa kwa mu bia
dwumadi hu se mentors, mentees, and now say we need paper in news day. I saw much of the hero, attitude in Chiriman. Any afraid mentor, any mentees. 19 months of Brom once no mentors. Now much from Kenya on Paso and Momobra, and Koyu. And if you hear woman, I can use some leadership. Senia, you can leadership start with your personal leadership. And then work against society in Ghana. The one but many of the churches, they've demonstrated the personal leadership by coming in their numbers.
I'm going to weigh a opening contract for that Young Professionals and Youth Coalition and no Honorable Andy Okra and Yetin Canon. Now, no memenda and as Abba Subojimedi Koso or coming Cromatia Ponumua, a random bed do nine and I want more a bomb Mabaswa, Utum Rantenema Bawafono.
National Food Suppliers Association for so chese say dear we ya kira omo ye ya no omo twentwen so kakra omo be hom ye sane say so far we share infudie ho semso no nya for Brian a champion akekere omo re say omo 270 million cedis aka mo be mfie mienu no afredi obetuatua e de ama omo ora Patrick efatro for panyi e de meko na jebre e na etwetwen komo.
Your one was a knowledge group, and before you do, we have to force the so Abrakwa, other honorable big now. Now, now we are for example, Okasenko at all, but one can't no or the two just say some thing now, say, now expect to say, and we tell you the bus now, or the 2 months on the 17th of July, 3 women, I do know to say no, and this is the trust them say, basically, and they say that suspended, it has been suspended.
Where you throw for penny at the National Food Suppliers Association, or Ifa, Patrick.
Mampeni na nado danko akufo de atuga se aban na ye nhyehyeye aban no gusu a ede niema etutu akwa mu sesene ewiase nyina dada no ho sese a sese wa hye ne nso a okọ amamman na wo makọ wo manim no a cars ya wo mo eye no enye ne nyina ene bia ehia petrol ehia diesel ehia from ajawe sabo gas ansana setimi etu anamon a etimi aye adwuma sese cars no a wo mo eye ne bi wo no mo a o charge ya na just vroom wo de esen ena mampeni na nado danko akufo de atuga so my Ghana esanse ye mpese wiase ebekọ no magye mu ntino ye nhyehyeye a sa cars na ewiase eye sese no Ghana soso no yebetimi edibi abọ mayimu na yede edigwuma we eye nkasa ho dwumadie bia transport ministry no wono mo eye no my Ghana manta mahudo no nyina no mo achechira manfo ye hu hia se ye hu se ewiase na esesa eno nti wo se yesoso ye nhyehyeye na yede hia ewiase ba bia wono mo ekeka kono enna osofo abedi yechira ohwe akwantempon ene akwanto hu nsensem so ora Alhassan Tampuri ede ensema hodo atuga abana nhyehyeye a wo mo ede egu akwamu
Abai ehune se bibi wa friend electric vehicles cars are use enyo akania na cars no amai bibri ebe start say ombe use sa cars no ombe stop diesel ni petrol cars here ibu kura eton petrol ni diesel but omose mokro mo dey say more we say cars are be use diesel ni petrol there omonye wo omokro mo bi by the year 2025 na Europe so in the next 5-7 years Europe countries and my bibri use diesel and petrol car omonya be use electric vehicles. Now, and say cars be beer, they crab every money, be free Europe, be free China, be free America, every urban. Now, almost stop say yes, our cars na maya ya so it's important to say abayin betu anamo na who say emiri besua Ghana is not found wanting.
Abusia so for be echi amananso anu echi no bobo so sa cars no a ye charge no electric vehicles no mfaso e woso essence obekwa koto petrol obekwa koto diesel anasa gas e de akwakogu kanim obobo mfaso a ye benya de efre no so kire yen
benefits no there o quantifier enye yi because it does do esane say climate change a ye ka ho asemi say global warming obia e wo responsibility say boye hu bibi ye free bibi adaptation and there is a free bibi mitigation either say you adapt na waka say ebia asem no anyaba nti media metinum musa ana say obia bibi a friend mitigation and say obedua number 1 ana say obe increase other renewable sources of energy beyond the thermal generation of energy and so on and so forth. So all of these things is a combination of factors. Now transport sector no contribute heavily to the pollution that we are talking about and then global warming generally.
Abusia enu achire wo mo asa adwumadi wo mo kwase bie wa hafomantem no mo enema wo mo te ye de wo mo suaye wo mo so mo bobo so kakra se de kire yen
Eba change inevitable. Oye den ye besisa. Tenia amai na esisan from fuel driven vehicles to electronic driven vehicles. Ye den yenso e say esisa. Nti anamontu o matu no de hwe nam ne kwan mu. If say we are in a democratic era, the via ye baby na so om defa ne kwan so. Na obi a che na adwen na enkoba say obi abonitim say yenye bribi na ye mumu na say isusanso no a eba no enya na afidie ya started apportioning blames. Nti ne ye na ye shia obi ade na dwenkyerɛ aba no ebeboa pa. Fire phone so ye be suggest say ye be kosa na ye hwɛ say vehicles on de be ma yen no ebe ye hybrid. Sɛnea ye be use fuel na ye san use battery no.
Akoyie fi sɛ mpanifo gyetum no mo yɛ nhyehyɛ bia ya abobo kɛsekɛse. If say ye hwɛ fuel cost ne other vehicle components na cost involved na ano odene.
Abzafo nti wey sa electric cars no awiase ho na ede nani ekire no na transport ministry ni mampani na nado danko akufo da ekire se aban eye nhyehyeye se beye na awiase kwa ekọ nanim no o my Ghana enya yemu.
Efia Kobi Nursing Training School at Waterfinshire, yes, was so Madame Denny, ama by a Royal Nursing College, no, Edium, SRC Wiki, Dikaino, Ashes, and now no memory than a pennico crome, one more number doom, KJT a pampa so Mudiomo SRC Week. Yan SRC President to the school, no Ekasaye, a ra Zuma Jessica Bisano, but I entia, Omutusa Anamoyi.
This is our first SRC Week celebration since they started the school, and this morning we are on our flutes from Tafunsha to Kumasi Market, that is Edo. The reason for the flute is that we just want to exhibit our school. It's just a new school which has been established, and we just came out to town so that people get to know that there is a school around. If they are interested, they can bring their kids or their awards to that school. That's the main reason why we are here this morning. Thank you. Tomorrow that will be Sunday in the evening. We'll be having a gospel rock show.
SRC President our Royal Nursing College era Zuma Jessica Nekasaye we ya pena kwantra for wada sukuu no ano o de monyamfo owusuke no so den sam kakra emayen
Tiano said nursing no and adoso awo Ghana enso bia so ne ntete enko eyeso okọ nursing na je say betima bi ba bra yi and I believe the nursing na fashion I believe the nursing na say what is an adam for be ekọ nursing no so but nursing is a calling na ya ntete nkwa di nu ma ya from nursing and ya hunu wo mo so a mo be ti agro but the minister royal nursing there obala agudie na wani so a they make sure say you do the right thing. There's a full of discipline tinya ni ba nyina na timi ba o wa betima tra school ma wie no na just when you teach ba I know na me dance so our nursing na mo Ghana I know so am ye ko yeni I go for him see ni oba ya oba
Kwantra for the Royal Nursing College and when monyamfo owusuke
Abzafo yan to akase na so ba mo yan fa mo nkokro bi e friend say eye panto ye ben eye tinkon ewo akuapem north mansinimum ewo apoemantam yesi abranche bi a ye friend no eye bright eye kiteku na oyekuani eja wala tu wala sakakra no ya na nsatimi akona no yesi abranche bi a onum wi ene ne dia ba be bomade ya wi ni se ni sika yira na kuani ni se wonhuin so oso wonhu ye ni ntino o de sika adwudwa no chese ham se ne mo kase ni dabrem chese abusan yenti omo a na omo ho no mo se ne omu si ehu niema ene nchemu omo de mayen
me call although where the kind of the family scout without and I'm up with you me call about I'm going to fight with the national ministry where you mean now men want to put them and I think this time is a military year now you can be one moment to see the Alicia if the work as I'm a dime who yes and come here there you could see so no kita dade no charm na me fenti na me tough very me da fun moment so de asababu bombi the bombi toy no biansu nivo many damos na me ana se mura baby na mo ko pejama ko pese me da fia mi ntimi nantew
Abzafo nti we eye abrantie bright ketekua we kuani ye gya wonde odini park akra wi ni wone na akwakonya akasa usika ho a behwe ne kochi nyina wayi ni se hu etiri na yeye ene ne wada so tiase abusan we eye arehosem a asi was a pomo.
Yanto Sonyanko Abra Sebu Aquamanka se won finfini mantem wade shomo kwadwaja e de abufo bru nuapa sa ma himfiesi wo muguso wo musino nipa bonfo bi de excavators aba bedwiri wo danu ni na egu enu ntenu mu nkosua miensanie hina punie na mo de afra na nanom nsamanfo se wo mo ne sa nipa bonfo yu eni na na manyima wo di kan wo ba hema wo krom ho egebre ene ye kasa wo nsemi ho
say ma ye di oyo ma so na na nanum wo twasa me bada hanso onye nsu wo fa no kura nsu wo fa no kwado nti ha wo fa no kwado na eje na se ya la ya asase ya na namo wa ya na wo nti na ya mo fa me so ya ba ya bo so ye ti ye na so baba nde wo baba be ja asase ye ti se ye ji bi mo o man be bia wo ni ye ji bi o re fi ye ja ka bi ye si ya asase na lo so baba de ya ba ye ja ka na so wo mpire me ye na de ya yes ya gbo ka yes That's what my she able to and at this level, I don't know Yakun or Bessie Muatran. Can't friend yet, you can't learn. Maca Kodoja, in County or brother, Macacodoja brother, and not Yampa for the brother, then Papa Bessie the Manager. One for one chanda could simple. What will offer Biala? Uncle, one for us we are come.
We ayoba him or kwadwaja na ma enyima wodi kan we ye na de hye no so ekasai
dana dada go boy kunimpe nti ye gude ye tin fofo yami ya adma de ba ya hipe koso o makwa ene ye da sori a nu bi akoro kobo de wo je machine ebe se wa gu dana egu obranta ase bia ne yim nana office no wadi oji ni ye o ye adwuma ko bobo ye kokore edan ye simpo a wo bobu tamo wo ye a wo twetwa ye nana no se kan ye hwe presifa ye ho di demu dwumadi nyina be kra ye no wan kase ye ho abesi ne nti so ho se wo ma obiara ne se wo biara wo dija o sa ho
kodojo kori okuwa sabia oyetitiku asomdwe ofa na asomdwe emiba mbohu bi da he na nanom mbo kwa kafa da mkofu ba eti wasami de wato asase efinye ne ntemfuo no fa da manso 40 years ni na manso no okọ da wo ye nyai de ye ebusuafo won wo so na watwesikan wo so watwetu bi wo abema wo so fa na fadel
Tesukoko adishomo kwadwaja ate abusua ne ada ne akire ade amamu
yere kase na isi ha na oman hina tena se ade ache bia dwumadi etwa so mededi na ya bo amali bia boga no pemene
akua bo ache wasempa itia
beer